Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. So today I have for you a little bit of a fashion DIY. If you guys aren't familiar with sewing or you want to learn, perhaps you might want to stay tuned. It's going to be a pretty easy video. All we're doing is just putting the hem back in the dress. As you can tell, there's a little crease in it. If it'll focus. So there's already a crease in it, which makes it a little bit easier to sew back together. So stay tuned and I will teach you guys how to do that. Okay, so first things first, like I mentioned earlier, there's already a fold in it. So I'm just going to take my little pins. Basically all they do is they help the fabrics stay together when you're sewing. So I'm just gonna stick them in and use that pre-folded line as my guide. And you don't really need to stick that many too close together. It'll pretty much stay as is. So we've got a couple of pins. It's kind of hard to tell, but here's one right here. So we're just gonna go the whole way around, sticking the pins in. Stick it in. Make sure that when you stick the pins in, that you're going through both layers, because if you only go through one, then it's not really gonna stay together. It'll just come apart again, and then you won't be able to sew it as 2 layers. So just be mindful of that. Alright, so as you can see, I have put in all of the pins, so they are the whole way around, and we are going to start sewing. So I like to start with it inside out. That way you're sewing on the inside part, not the outside part. And I'm gonna find an edge. And I'm going to actually use this little seam up here. So that way it sort of stays on the same path that it was before. And then when I first start, I tend to go back and forth a few times just to keep the moving. So we're just gonna do that. Perfect. I'm celebrating my liberation. I'm celebrating my liberation. We are back to the beginning. Perfect. Yes, we are. So again, forward a couple times, backward a couple times, and it should be nice and secure. And then lastly, you just cut off the ends like that. I'm gonna turn that off, and there we go. Make sure you cut off the ends of the strings, that way they're not poking out. And get the inside as well. Alright guys, so there you have it, a fully sewn together hemmed dress. It's easy as that. Takes maybe 10-20 minutes and good as new. See you guys next time.